Think of all the ways bikes have changed in the last 50 years. Maybe that's too daunting. Think of all the way bike wheels have changed in the last 50 years. One thing that hasn't changed, it still ends up in the same touring stand. Let's go back to the early 70s. Disco, baby. 10-speed bikes with offset hubs and alloy rims were creating a need for a more accurate method of keeping wheels true. Mechanics needed something purpose-built that they could depend on. Out of that need, Park Tool created the TS-1, a simple, easy-to-use fixture capable of measuring the alignment of the wheel. It wasn't the first touring stand ever made, but it did the job, and it did it well. In 1976, we made some key improvements to our original design to make it more accurate and versatile. We called it the TS-2. In no time at all, it became the standard of the industry. Today, if you walk into the back of a bike shop anywhere in the world, chances are good you'll find a Park Tool touring stand in use, whether it's brand new or decades old. Over the past 50 years, we've made some changes and added some features, but the fundamentals are the same. Every Park Tool touring stand is welded, built, and hand-calibrated in-house, and goes out into the world backed by our limited lifetime warranty. We've also developed over 700 products since the introduction of the TS-2, and we're not slowing down. Bikes have changed a lot since 1976. But the need for high-quality tools is as high as ever. Park Tool is proud to be a name you can trust. Thanks for staying true. To commemorate 50 years of the TS-2, we've made 50 special anniversary edition touring stands with custom gold paint and machined aluminum knobs. This summer, we'll be auctioning off a handful of these stands, with the proceeds benefiting bicycle nonprofits around the world. For more information, visit parktool.com/TS-2.50.